there, I'm Sam from Pennsylvania Sawmill Company, and I'm here today to show you our cute new Christmas tree stand cover. And this is handcrafted in our local shops. It's our latest products. And I just wanted to show you this wood. This is locally sourced, naturally weathered wood, and it's just beautiful. It's gonna make a nice accent to your Christmas tree at home. So this is a 4-panel system. It's super lightweight, easy to assemble, and easy to store. So I'm gonna show you how to put this together. So I'm gonna set this down and start to untie our twine here. And I'm going to set this aside because I'm gonna need it later when the holidays are over. And I wanna store this away here. So I'm gonna put this in the corner. And now this system has 2 types of panels. So there are 2 flat panels. You can see they're flat on the back here. And then we have 2 panels with stoppers on them, these little strips of wood here. And so the panels with the stops on them are gonna be our end panels for this box. So I'm gonna put one of these up first and then take one of our flat panels and just Velcro these into the side here, into a U shape. So I'll get both of these and set them up. And then once I have my U shape, this makes a super easy form to slide over my Christmas tree stand. So I'm gonna slide this over like so. And then I'm going to take my last panel with the stoppers and throw it on the back here and Velcro that into place. And once you have that, you have your beautiful rustic Christmas tree stand cover. And then at the end of the season, when you're all done, you just pack all the panels up, unvelcro them, and then you can tie it together with your twine and easily store it wherever you need to. Happy holidays.